Good morning, everyone. Uh, Myself Dinesh, working as assistant professor from SNS College of Technology, Mechanical Department, and we are going to see the solar desalination. Okay. So first, solar distillation. First, let's see what solar distillation is. The distillation of salt water to recover potable water is an accomplished by exposing thin layer of the salt water, usually in black vapor. Actually, it will be usually in black shallow trace of basins to solar radiation, and condensing the water vapor produced on a transparent cover in such a way that it can be collected in receiving. The history of the basin type still date was back in 1872, when a still providing drinking water for animal and used in nitrate mining in Chile. Okay, started its 3 decades of operation. More recently, several community scale solar have been built in Australia, Greece, Spain, and all over the world, and new theoretical and practical developments have improved understanding and practice of solar desalination. So, solar operating presently involve about 20 basin type installation with capacities varying from about 400 to 25,000 liter per day and an unknown number of small units. This is the basic introduction of solar desalination, and then the theory of description of the basin type solar. So let's see the theory and description of a basin. So two basin approaches have been proposed for using solar energy to distill salinate water. Okay, so one approach reproduces on a small scale of pure water separation portion of the hydrological cycle, while the other use the solar energy to energize distillers, which are also capable of operating on other types of energy. Okay, so the first approach has been used to any great extent up to the present time. Okay, the hydrological cycle from which all fresh water is produced in large scale neutral solar desalination. So it has 4 essential phases. Okay, so this desalination have 4 essential phases. So the first phase is the production of vapor from ocean, lake, and other large bodies of water. Okay, so the production of vapor from the lake, ocean, or other large bodies of water. Okay, that's the first one. And second one, the transport of this vapor as humidity of the air above the land to cooler region by convective winds. Okay, this is the second phase. And the third phase is the condensation of this vapor and its precipitation as rain and snow. Okay, that's the third phase. And the fourth one is the return of the water and melted snow by means of river to the ocean, lake, and other large bodies of water. Okay, so these are the 4 essential phases in solar desalination. Okay, so now we have seen what a solar desalination is, and the theoretical and descriptive of the basins, and the 4 essential phases involved in solar desalination. Okay, in our next part we are going to see the working and the parts required in the solar desalination. Okay, so thank you everyone.